Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bluey and Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus as one character. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's jump into it right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bluey and Pomni from Amazing Digital Circus as one character, okay? So let's get started. Stay for the whole lesson, and yeah, let's do this. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line across over here for kind of the top of Bluey's nose. Curve along the edge, angle downward for kind of the front of Bluey's snout. Back over here, up, smile right there. Okay? Let's go over here and we're going to draw like kind of an egg shape at the end of this right here. And that's kind of the way Bluey's eyes are set. So far, a lot of Bluey, right? A lot of Bluey's, features. Curve right here for see the back of the eye. And line up over here for kind of the edge of Bluey's face. And this, well, not yet. So we're going to go over here and draw kind of like a macaroni shape for one eyebrow above the eye. Another macaroni shape. And then we're going to draw a line across here for kind of Pomni's hat. That's going to be the brim of the hat. But for now, we're going to pull down over here along the body. Downward right here, curve in for kind of the hand in general. And out over here, down over here. And curve over here at the top right there, down. Okay, let's go over here into the eye. Don't forget, by the way, what would this character be called? That's something I really want you to post in the comments. And the best comment, I'm going to pin. Okay? So, what would this character be named? We're mixing Bluey and Pomni from Amazing Digital Circus. Let's go over here to the edge of the nose. Curve down, up right there. We have the edge of the nose. Maybe put a little highlight right here. And then fill in the rest with the dark part. You can, again, marker, if you're using a marker, definitely open a window or at least turn on a fan to kind of get some ventilation going through. It's not good to smell these markers. All right, over here. And let me see. So let's go over here for the line at the top for this jester hat. Out, down right there. Out over here, down right there. Circle, circle for that jester hat. Okay. Top of the shoulder, it's going to have like a little ball at the other shoulder with a little line underneath it. Line across for kind of the top of the outfit. Curve down here, slightly curve in, curve over here, slightly curve right there to kind of create, looks like kind of an iPhone shape, his body almost. Down right here for the leg, down right here for the leg, down right here for the other part of the leg, front of the leg. Down, curve underneath so, down, curve underneath so for the foot. Okay, let's add more aspects of Pomni's outfit into Bluey right here. Line right here for the kind of the top of that shoe. Okay? Good, good. Curve here, line underneath. Okay, we got that far side shoulder. Down over here, and we see his hand right there. Let's go over here. Line for the tail. Has like almost 3 prongs at the end of that. Line right here. Okay, let's put in more parts of of Pomni's outfit. So let's just say over here, kind of right there's a collar. Line right there. Line right there. Circle right here. Circle right here. Line down. Line down. Line down. Right there. Down right here. Down right here. Down right here. Line right here for actually the color of Bluey's mouth right there. And that's kind of like a line. So there's like another line right there. Okay, so far so good. The color change right here along Bluey's eye. And the same thing over here for that far side eye. He looks really weird without his ears, in my opinion. Let's put some more stripes right here. Like, maybe the cloth would cover part of the tail there. And I would say right here in this area, I'm gonna draw some lines right there. It's gonna have like long pants as opposed to the other thing that Pomni tends to have. Let's go over here now. The shoulder curve, curve, curve right there. Okay, so far so good. Let me turn the fan. Oh no, well, I was gonna turn the fan on, but all right. Go right here. Little bit of hair sticking out the bottom there, and then maybe we could draw some hair sticking out the side. And maybe some hair right here, like Pomni has. I think that looks really funny. We can draw thin little lines right there to kind of make it obvious. It makes it look funnier, right? I think it looks way funnier. Let's go over here now. Line down, line down, line down, line down, right there, for kind of the stripes on the hat, right? Which are very important. So last thing is I want to draw a thicker line around the border. And I did this for some of the other stuff, by the way. We draw a thicker line. Don't forget, by the way, if drawing in general is your thing and you want it to be your thing, go check out the Skillshare stuff where I go over how to draw every part of everything. We go over like anatomy, we go over just general drawing, all about. And that helps you with everything. So go check out the Skillshare for that. If you're more into, like, let's say drawing Godzilla or creatures like that, I have a free how to draw. Basically, it's this amazing kind of ebook on how to draw Godzilla's head. It's totally free, and that's on the Gumroad. I think the links in that are going to be in the description somewhere. If they're not there, let me know. Say it in the comments, and I'll send it to you. Yeah, like I said, that's completely free. It teaches you the kind of the anatomy of Godzilla's head and kind of the basics on how to draw Godzilla's head. So you're kind of understanding how to draw that better than like almost anything, anywhere that anything teaches you, in my opinion. Just totally for free. So go take a look at that when you have the time, or if that's your thing, absolutely go check it out. But all that stuff's in the description, so that's something really important when you do that stuff, is go through the description to kind of check out this stuff. Okay, that is pretty much it. Maybe I'll put some lines right here on the little hair, but that is all. I want you to stay there, and we're going to do another drawing lesson together, okay? Stay right there right now. Let's do a drawing lesson right now together.